I can find the surface area of a cylinder. Surface area is the sum of all the faces of a 3D figure. So for a cylinder, we have 3 faces. So we have 2 circles and a rectangle. The 2 circles, we call those the top base and the bottom base, and they are the same size. To find the area of the circle, we use the area formula, so pi times radius squared. For the lateral face here, we're going to do circumference times height. I'm going to go back to this one. So for the rectangle, this top side here could also wrap around this circle. And the outside of a circle, we call that the circumference. So the length going this way is the circumference. And then this measurement here would be the height. To remember that, we can think of chicken noodle soup. CH is circumference times height. So here's an example. We have a cylinder that has a radius of 5 and a height of 10. So for the top base, the area of this circular face, we're going to do pi using 3.14 times the radius again. And we get 78 5/10. The bottom base is the same as the top base. And then for the lateral face, we're going to do the circumference times the height. Circumference is pi times diameter. So if halfway across the circle is 5, all the way across would be, 10. So we're going to do 3.14 times 10, and then times 10 again because that is the height. And we get 314. Then to find the total surface area, we're just going to add up these 3 numbers. So our final answer is 471 inches squared. Let's try one more. Ooh, so this one, it gave us the diameter this time. The diameter across is 8 inches and the height is 9 inches. So for the top base, and that's the area of the circle here. Area formula is pi times radius squared. This doesn't give us the radius. But if we know that the diameter is 8 and the radius is half of that, the radius is 4. So we're going to do pi times 4 times 4 using the number 3.14 for pi. So 3.14 times 4 times 4. And we get 50 24/100. The top base and the bottom base are exactly the same, so we're just going to repeat that answer. And then for the lateral face here, circumference times height. The circumference is pi times diameter, and we know the diameter is 8, so we're going to do 3.14 times 8, and then times the height, which is 9. Then to find the total surface area, we add up all 3 of these areas. And there's our final answer.